Imagine having all of your tools and gear at your fingertips, effortlessly tracked and maintained. With Reftab, you can easily assign tools to job sites, warehouses, and technicians, giving you real-time visibility into tool usage, allocation, and whereabouts. Our robust maintenance features empower you to create work orders that ensure your tools meet safety standards and remain in top working condition. Schedule preventative maintenance or set custom conditions to trigger maintenance tasks automatically. But it doesn't stop there. Reftab enhances collaboration among your workers and technicians, allowing them to share tools seamlessly. With Reftab's transfer requests, your technicians can browse for needed equipment. If a tool is currently assigned to another tech, they can request to borrow it. The currently assigned tech can choose to approve the borrow if the tool is not needed, or deny if they are still using it. These tool transfers foster a more productive and cooperative work environment throughout all of your job sites. Join the countless organizations transforming their tool management with Reftab. Sign up today